Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me is Paul Galvin, Chairman and CEO of Nasdaq-listed SG Blocks, to discuss providing modular solutions for a variety of industries in the fight against COVID-19. Paul, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Jill, always a pleasure to be on your show, and glad you're doing well.
Remind the audience how SG Blocks modular solutions can be used with different types of businesses. Provide us some examples.
Sure. So we work on the basis of recycling shipping containers into live, work, vacation space. By recycling the containers in a modular fashion, we cut windows, doors, sidewalls out and create spaces by building steel honeycombs. The containers are recycled. They're earthquake and hurricane resistant, and they can be stacked 9 high at sea. It's the perfect building block, we believe, in this era of climate change, because over half the country lives at risk of earthquake or hurricane, and these structures will be impervious to that.
And what makes SG Blocks modular solutions different than other types of modular structures?
Well, we were the first company in the history of construction to get an ESR number, which was the International Code Council gave us a number that made us the first mainstreamed material ever approved for construction that was recycled. So upon receiving that in 2017, we did an IPO on Nasdaq. We believe we're the only publicly traded company. We have come up with a lot of innovations in the space. We have a great partner for containers in Con Global. We own our own finish factory in Durant, Oklahoma, great group of workers out at Echo. And we earn revenue across the platform in ways that no one else does. We earn on our plans, on our certifications, modifying the boxes, finishing the boxes. We sell the COVID tests and antigen tests that go inside the boxes. We make money because we're co-operators of the lab in the backs of the boxes. And so we're really kind of tying our products into what is most needed and necessary in the economy. And in our experience now, it's COVID solutions, it's electric vehicle charging solutions, it's affordable housing as people kind of exit cities. And we believe that made in the USA is a great thing, and we're looking to expand out in Oklahoma with a great workforce. We have the right to acquire the 19 acres our factory sits on, and we're looking to take advantage of that.
Right. And I've seen a number of the announcements that have come out with the work that you're doing around COVID-19, fighting COVID-19. LAX is a good example. And there was an announcement that just came out this afternoon as well.
Yeah, so we've been operating at LAX, I think the only CLIA lab at an airport. We built it about 10% of the time, 10% of the cost. It's functioning great. This morning, we announced Chicago airport testing, which is located at a private site, a former Kmart, about a mile from the airport, where we're offering antigen testing and PCR testing. The goal there is to help the economy grow in Chicago. There's some underserved areas. We've received some political support. Our partner locally is Dr. Jay Joshi, who's not just a great doctor, he's a bit of a Renaissance man, and he's set up lots of support and demand for testing and vaccinations. And we're really happy to be in the Chicago market. It's a very needy market. And at some point, we're going to be coming out with mobile labs that never leave a truck, and that we look forward to penetrating the underserved, whether it's rural or urban. We're going to try very hard to address those markets.
Yeah, it's really quite remarkable, for the number of years that we've been doing content together, to see how you innovate as quickly as these problems are presented to provide these solutions. Paul, it's great to have you with us on Trade Talks. Thanks for joining us, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks, Jill. Have a nice day.